Hello again. Last time we learned about animals and their babies. Now let us know, where do these animals exactly live? You all know most of the animals, their names, their babies, isn't it? So now let's hop into their homes. You know that a cat generally stays in our home, but it keeps roaming here and there also. What about the dog? The dog also many times stays in our home, but otherwise a dog is kept in a kennel. What is the dog's home? Kennel. What is the dog's home called as? A kennel. Then there are few animals which live in the den. Den is something which is made with rock, stones, and generally found in the forest. So which animals stay in the den, in the forest? I'm sure you know them, isn't it? Yes, the lion, the tiger, the bear, all these animals stay in a den, in the forest. Now coming to the next set of animals, there are a few animals which stay in a stable. Stable is something which is built with wood and the coconut leaves. Generally they are built with that. Okay, they could be made with any other things also, but generally most of the stables are made with wood and coconut leaves, and that is called as a stable. So who is kept in the stable? The calf, buffalo, all the kettles, they are kept in a stable. Also the donkey and the horse, they are also kept in a stable. Now coming to the next set of animal, which is very tall, which has got hump. Yes, a camel. The camel stays in the desert where there is lot of sand. Next, where does a chicken stay? The chicken house is called as a coop. Chicken house is called as a coop. The deer and animals like deer which eat small plants and grass generally, they stay in the grassland. Where do they stay? Grassland. Chimpanzees, monkeys, they stay in the tree. So too most of the birds, and they make their nest in the tree. Then there's something last time we spoke about which troubles your mom, right? Your mom is really fed up of those things. What is that? Cockroach. They stay in our house. They make it dirty. Cockroach stays in the house. Then deep hole into the ground. What is that called as? A burrow. A burrow is a deep hole into the ground. And then who makes that? A few animals make that burrow. And why do they make it? They make it for them to stay inside the burrow. So which are the animals that stay in the burrow? Rabbit, snakes, fox. These animals, they stay in the burrow. And then the sheep. Where does the sheep stay? The sheep and the goat, they are kept in a pen. Not the pen what you write, but their home is called as pen. Next, there is one animal which sleeps inside its shell. Not one, there are many animals as such, but to name a few, the tortoise and the snail, they sleep inside their own shell. So where do they stay? They stay in the shell. And where do you and me, where do we stay? We stay in a house. We stay in a house. So will you remember the homes of the animals? Happy learning.